Hi, my name is Armando Salgado. I study in University Polytechnic of Chimalhuacan. I give them the slum test. Slum test. It is done to ensure that concrete mix is workable. The measured sample must be within an stability range or tolerance of the intended slump. Material and equipment. Mold in the shape of truncate cone with a base diameter equal to 8 inch, top diameter of 4 inch and height of 12 inch. This mold must be provided with clamps and this base must be made of metal. A ladle rod mold which a rod tip 5 inch in diameter and length approximately 24 inch. Stopware. Mix a fresh uniform concrete with coarse aggregate not greater than 1 inch. Tape measure. Process. 1. Uniform the mixer with the ladle. 2. Moisten the pan and place in on a flat damp surface, not absorbent, and rig. The bottom diameter section should be at the bottom. Nigger. 3. Hold the mold well. To do this, press the clamp of pedal with your feet fixes on base of the mold. 4. Pour the concrete mix of the fill approximate 1/3 of the volume of the mold. 5. Roll this first layer with 25 strokes. Use star steel rod 2 inch diameter with rounded tip. For this layer you should sliding incline the compactor and do about half of the blow near perimeter, and the rest apply them in a spiral towards the center of the mold. 6. Pour concrete again until filling 2/3 of the volume of the cone approximate 6 inch, and latch again with 25 strokes. Do this layer in such a way that the blow barely penetrate the previous layer. 7. Fill a rather poor layer with 25 blows. This last layer must be concrete on the form before starting to rot. In the rotting operation, cause the concrete on the upper edges of the mold to sag, and additional concrete in order to manage an excess of concrete off the surface at all times. Mold surface. 8. After the top layer has been rolled, squeeze the mold surface be means of the simulate showing and rolling movement with the rod compactor. Clean the base area of any concrete runoff that has fallen during secreting. 9. Remove the foam from the concrete. Be carefully letting it vertically. Raise the mold a distance of 23 cm. Films and avoiding a layer of twisting movement. 10. Immediately measure the slump, determining the vertical difference between the edge of the top of the mold and the center of the displacement of the surface of the temperament. Concrete 1. Concrete cone. Use a graded scale. The time elapsed from the filling of the mold to is renewable shall not be longer than 2 minutes. Calculation. Record in the inch. The slope obtained in the test the nearest 5 millimeters. I finished.